and welcome to my channel. I am Jadine. I'm a classically trained chef with over 15 years of professional chef experience. I've worked in some of the best restaurants and I've most recently worked as a private chef. Today, I'm going to show you a mess-free way, a really easy and mess-free way to remove the seeds from a pomegranate. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna start by slicing the pomegranate in half. So make sure you get a good grip on it. And after slicing the pomegranate, we're gonna place the pieces, the two halves, into a bowl and transfer it to the sink. Or you can always cut it closer to the sink. You can use a wooden spoon, but here I have a nice metal spoon. So what we're gonna do is just flip the pomegranate over. And always try to make sure you have a nice grip on it. You just want to keep in the back side of the pomegranate. And if you notice, the seeds are coming out. We're almost there. And now I'm just going to rotate it and just hit the sides a little to remove the extra seeds. That's it. Really simple and mess-free. And the best part is the seeds are whole. So they're whole and you're not losing a lot of the juice. And then these little pieces, now you can remove these. You can always rinse it with water to remove these little pieces. However, I prefer to not use water so I can have 100% pure pomegranate seeds. So this is a really simple and a mess-free way to remove the pomegranate seeds from the pomegranate. Give it a try the next time you're at the grocery store. Pick up a pomegranate and this is how you remove the seeds. It's mess-free. I mean, I'm wearing a white chef's coat, so there's not a speck of pomegranate juice on me, I promise. It's that simple, you can do it. So now I'm going to place these into a bowl and refrigerate them so I can enjoy them in a salad. Thank you for joining. I will see you in my next video. Bye. It's so good.